The K&N 71-3066 Blackhawk induction air intake system is guaranteed to increase horsepower on 2007 to 2010 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 and 3500 HD models with a 6.6-liter diesel engine. It uses a custom mandrel bent aluminum air intake tube and a custom heat shield designed to help isolate the air intake from the engine heat. It features a black synthetic oil-free air filter and comes with a K&N million-mile limited warranty. Check knfilters.com for a complete and up-to-date list of models this air intake fits. K&N also makes an intake system for these specific vehicles with a roto-molded intake tube. With the 71-3066 intake installed on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with a 6.6-liter diesel engine, K&N power testing showed an estimated power gain of 12.5 horsepower at 2,638 RPM and 27.7 pound-feet of torque at 2,298 RPM. Actual results will vary depending on the condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. You can really see and hear the difference the K&N air intake system will make to your truck. This intake comes with all components needed for an easy installation, along with detailed installation instructions. The tools needed are shown. Start by turning off the ignition and disconnecting the negative battery cable. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Loosen the hose clamp securing the factory intake tube to the airbox. Loosen the hose clamp securing the intake tube to the turbo inlet and remove the intake tube from the vehicle. Lift up and remove the air filter assembly from the vehicle. Remove the 3 bolts securing the air filter mounting plate and retain for later use. Install the 2 provided heat shield brackets onto the heat shield and secure with the provided hardware. Install the provided edge trim onto the heat shield and trim if necessary. Install the heat shield assembly onto the filter mounting plate and secure with the factory bolts removed earlier. Install the filter adapter into the K&N filter and secure with the provided hardware. Install the filter assembly into the heat shield filter top first, then rotate the filter and pass the adapter through the hole in the heat shield. Secure the filter adapter to the heat shield using the provided hardware. Remove the 2 screws securing the mass air sensor into the factory airbox and remove the sensor. Then remove the filter minder from the factory airbox. Install the mass air sensor and filter minder into the K&N intake tube using the provided hardware and grommet. Install the provided hump hose onto the turbo inlet and secure with the provided hose clamp. Install the provided coupling hose onto the filter adapter and secure with the provided hose clamp. Install the K&N intake tube into the hump hose at the turbo inlet and then into the hose at the filter adapter. Align the tube for best fit and secure with the provided hose clamps. Connect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Lastly, reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle. It'll be necessary for all K&N high-flow intake systems to be checked periodically for alignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the installation instructions or proper maintenance may void warranty. The 71-3066 intake is not legal for sale or use on any pollution-controlled motor vehicle in California or states adopting California emissions procedures. K&N makes products for nearly every vehicle on the road. Visit knfilters.com to search for products by vehicle, dimension, cross-reference, or even VIN number. You can also quickly look up the other products available for your car, truck, or motorcycle, including high-flow air filters designed to increase horsepower and wrench off oil filters that are easy to remove. Make your move to K&N, makers of the world's best air filter.